So my name is Eric Johnson. I've been in project management by the way of writing code and then moved into project management the last couple of years. Been managing engineers for a fintech startup based out of Nashville. I did MIS in college, got out, did PC support. I thought I was going to be the CTO coming right out of college, but I was pushing a cart around a factory with video cards and various computer parts. Got a chance to take a C Sharp .NET course. The company I was working for was switching over from Visual Basic to C Sharp, and asked if I could sit in on the training. So I did that, and then was moved into programming. Had a project that was coming up, and I did all of my project management work, and I came back with my charts and stuff, and I was like, it'll be finished January 1st. We'll be able to start testing. And my boss said, it needs to be done October 15th. So that was kind of my first foray into understanding that a lot of times developers need an advocate. I guess at this point in my career of no matter how excited or worried or anxious or what it like, things are going to happen, things are going to go sideways. Just when they do, like, let's figure out how to get back on track or get back as close to the track as possible. You can't stick your head in the sand and hope that things go away on a project. I'm more likely to tell you 2 weeks early about something that's never going to happen, but it might, because if I don't tell you, it surely will. So like, I don't like surprises. I don't like the executives to be surprised, and I don't like the developers to be surprised either. That can be a real pain. I stole this from somebody else's LinkedIn profile, but I feel like I'm a hope broker. The engineers want to build everything, want it gold plated, they want it fantastic. You know, they could spend months working on a text box a lot of times. So just like, it's going to be the best text box though. Whereas on the business side, it's just like you said earlier, it's like, we need this yesterday. It's always, we need this yesterday. Nobody hires before they need to. Like, it's always like, we need a person, we need a person. You know, it's like 3 months later, you might get that person. So in a lot of the cases, it's just like explaining to people of like, you know, there are physical limitations to how software can be developed. And no matter how hard you're hoping, like, that's not going to get it built. Like, it takes time. You know, it takes very smart people solving very hard problems. And sometimes those problems, like, that's why it's custom software. Of like, these are things that haven't been done before. Like, you can't just buy Word and fix everything. So helping people understand the limitations, but also getting them excited about the possibilities.